In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive a Trello card in just 5 minutes. If you've ever accidentally archived a card or need to retrieve one that's been hidden for a while, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to Trello's website. If you're not already there, you can go to Trello.com. Once you're on the page, you'll find the login button, usually located at the upper right hand corner of the screen. Click on Login to access your account, enter your credentials to sign in, and you'll be directed to your Trello workspace. Now that you're in your workspace, the next step is to navigate to your specific Trello board where you believe the card might be archived. You should see a list of your available boards. Click on the one you want. This will take you to the board where all your lists and cards are displayed. Once you are in the Trello board, look for the three-dot icon, which is often referred to as the More or Menu icon. You can find this icon on the right side of the board. It's a small but important feature that gives you access to various board actions, including the ones we need today. After clicking the three-dot icon, you'll see a menu pop up. Here, look for the option labelled Archived Items. This section holds all the cards you've archived from your board. Click on Archived Items to see a list of all archived cards. This is the place where your card has been tucked away. Scroll through the list to find the specific card you want to unarchive. Once you locate it, you'll see a few options, one of which is Restore. Click on Restore to bring your card back to the board. This action moves the card from its hidden state right back to its original list on your board, restoring it fully to its active status. And just like that, the card is back in action and ready for you to continue working with it. Unarchiving a Trello card is as simple as following these steps, ensuring no important tasks get lost along the way. Remember, understanding how to manage and retrieve archived items can definitely save you time and effort, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. That's it for today's tutorial on unarchiving Trello cards. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Be sure to like or subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.